Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, if you guys are in the SoFlo TV at YouTube WhatsApp group, you would see this video. And I took a little screenshots because I can't post the full video on here. But what you guys are seeing is the former deputy police commissioner for Jamaica from 2016. This is Delworth Heath. Okay, George Coelho replaced him in 2017, and his sex tape leaked on social media recently. And this sex tape is not with just anybody, it's with his secretary. And from what I can see, the secretary have a ring on her finger, which shows that she's actually married. And more than likely, the deputy police commissioner is also married also. But this goes to show what they're using Jamaica tax hard money to do on the job, because this is on the job. You can see that they're in an office, and Mr. Delworth is actually retired now, so I know he's not retired in an office and doing this. This was actually done when he was acting deputy police commissioner, DCP, and it's very disheartening and sad that we are now seeing what they're doing when they're supposed to be getting paid to protect and serve Jamaica and use Jamaica's tax-paying dollars for good. This is what they do. It's crazy to me. I don't know if this is some revenge porn that somebody is trying to use to get to him because he didn't do something that they want, or they want to ruin his reputation, or what it is, but it's out there, and now it's probably going to be damage control. If you want to see the video, please go to SoFlo TV YouTube on WhatsApp and you can see the full video there. But this is a mess. Okay, a mess. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me what your thoughts are if you have seen the video already in the comment section. I'm up out of here. Deuces.